HBAR crypto, one of my favorites. Over 3 billion HBAR tokens, though, are set to unlock very, very soon. Are we getting ready for a massive Hedera price drop ahead? And if so, what kind of opportunity will this present us as investors looking to buy the dip? So, HBAR, one of those ISO 2022 plays that many people have on their radar, along with Quant, XLM, and some others. HBAR has shown some strength here to start 2023, and currently HBAR is in the top 100 of all of cryptos. In fact, it's in the top 35, ranked number 35 right now, sitting at about 7.5 cents. So let me take you inside this right here. You can see it, HBAR, and in the past 3 months made some really nice gains. HBAR was way down here at about 3.5 cents, now sitting at 7.5 cents, actually popped up almost to 10 cents back on February 2nd. So we've seen some really nice gains here for HBAR to start the year. But what's going on with this 3 billion HBAR or 3 billion HBAR token set to unlock? So according to market reports, it's estimated that roughly $102 billion worth of crypto tokens are locked up across multiple projects and are scheduled to be released over the coming years. Token lockup, also commonly known as a vesting period, refers to the time span in which cryptocurrencies are barred from being transferred or traded. A lot of these come from private investors rather. On March 1st of this year, a similar token unlock event is planned to take place on the Hashgraph-powered Hedera HBAR network. The HBAR distribution report, which is published on a quarterly basis, outlines the network is set to unlock 6.28% of its total supply on March 1st, which comes to a total of 3.14 billion HBAR tokens. Taking into account the price, that is valued at around $238 million worth of HBAR set to be unlocked. However, HBAR is nowhere near its all-time high, so it doesn't mean everybody who gets their tokens right here on March 1st is going to just immediately take all their profits off the table. Now, tokens pertaining to purchase agreements, network governance, and operations are anticipated to consume around 0.67 and 1.11% of the unlock, respectively. Additionally, the unlocking event will include tokens addressed to the ecosystem and open source development program, makes up around 4.5%. So historically, token unlocks have been regarded as bearish events since they indicate a rise in the total amount of tokens in circulation. This is because as more tokens become available, there are more sellers than buyers in the market. This can create a situation where sellers have to lower their asking price to actually find buyers. But considering that Hedera has been experiencing such token unlocks over the course of the previous few years, the level of selling pressure to some extent has decreased. Although there's always a risk of a negative effect on the price of the token, a catastrophic occurrence is less likely to take place at this point, though. So in addition, as summarized by the moving averages, HBAR's technical analysis right now advising a sell at level 10 and a buy at level 5. As a direct result of this, HBAR's price is currently sitting at around 7.5 cents. But again, got all the way up there close to 10 cents. So I think it'll be probably a little bit of both. You're definitely going to see some people take profits. And this is a large amount of money, 238 million, right? Now, if we get people taking profits coupled with a downturn in the overall cryptocurrency market and HBAR comes back down to 3 or 4 cents, I think it's a massive opportunity to load back up, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, because if you look at HBAR's all-time high, it's at 57 cents. That's 87% off of its all-time high. That was set back in September of 2021. So HBAR, I think, is certainly, regardless of what happens here with this unlock event, one to watch moving forward. And I know it's a big part of my portfolio. HBAR's got some great leadership behind it, some great tech behind it, and a lot of promise for the next bull run for HBAR. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Appreciate you guys as always. See you in the next video.